Hey all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm here to talk about this amazing product that I have received from this brand called Seer Secrets. It is called the Ayurvedic Herb Healing Potli Compress. Okay, so this is how the product looks like. A complete potli look it has, and also it claims that it helps in reducing any kind of pain like joint pains हो गए या muscle cramps हो जाते हैं कई बार हमें. It helps in reducing all that pain, and also if you are suffering from arthritis problem, that time also you can use this product. It is very useful. So these are the benefits of using this potli. Now if you talk about the packaging of this product, so this is how the product looks like जब आप इसे order करेंगे तो ये इसी तरह से आपके पास आएगा. मतलब it has this transparent cover on top of this potli जो काफ़ी अच्छे से packed और sealed है. And also the best thing I like about this product is that everything is mentioned on top of this product, like जो भी information है related to the ingredients that are used in this, and what are the benefits of using this potli and how to use this potli. Everything is mentioned on top of this product, so it is very easy for anyone to just read and then use this product. मतलब काफ़ी self explanatory information is there on top of this product. Now if you talk about the ingredients, okay, so all the ingredients that are in this potli are 100% Ayurvedic and 100% natural with no side effects. They have used tesu flower, rasna leaves, camphor powder, sea salt, lemongrass, lavender essential oil, turmeric, ginger. So all these are such essential herbs which actually helps in treating various kinds of ailments. So all these ingredients are used in this to make this potli. And also ये जो cloth use किया गया है, this is also a very special type of a cloth that has been used. It is called the wild harvested cotton cloth. तो काफ़ी ही सही पैकेजिंग है, और पोटली जिस तरह से इसे प्रिपेयर करी गई है बहुत ही आयुर्वेदिक और बहुत ही एंशियंट वाला फील आता है when you use this product. Okay, so now how to use this product. It is very easy guys, just 3 steps. Okay, so this is how the product will look like जब आप एक बार इसकी पैकेजिंग निकाल देते हो. So ये इस तरह से दिखेगा, and this is where you have to hold the product. ओके, सो ये जो पार्ट है, इस पार्ट को आपको अच्छे से स्प्रे बॉटल से अच्छे से स्प्रे कर लीजिए, इसे अच्छे से गीला कर लीजिए, और फिर इस पार्ट को आप किसी भी हॉट पैन या हॉट तवा के ऊपर इसे ऐसे रख लीजिए. ओके, इट शुड गेट नाइसली हीटेड अप, अच्छे से गर्म हो जाए जब ये एक बार अच्छे से, तब आप इस पोटली को जिस भी बॉडी पार्ट में आपको दर्द है वहाँ पर आप इसे यूज़ करेंगे ना. सपोज इफ आई एम यूजिंग इट हियर, सी दिस इज़ हाउ आई विल यूज़ इट, ईदर बाय प्रेसिंग इट नाइसली विद लाइट प्रेशर, और ऐसे आप इसे रोल करते हुए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, या फिर ऐसे ड्रैग कर लें. So these are the 3 methods by which you have to use this potli. So henna is so useful, this product is, and guys, I feel Seer Secret has come up with such a amazing idea of creating or making this potli जो इतना convenient है, इतना useful है और affordable है, जो आराम से आप घर बैठे बैठे यूज़ कर सकते हो. बिकॉज यू ऑल नो like this technique is so ancient, so Ayurveda it is, जो हम काफ़ी टाइम से, बहुत पहले टाइम से यूज़ कर रहे हैं, और अगर यही टेक्निक आप बाहर जाके करवाते हैं तो इट इज़ so एक्सपेंसिव. बट Seer Secrets की ये पोटली आपको सिर्फ 549 रुपीज़ में आ रही है. So isn't that so affordable? मतलब this is like a magic potli, I would say. So guys, I will be sharing the link of this product in the description box. Please do go and check out this product and let me know, like, when you use it, how was your experience. Okay guys, so this was all for today's video, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.